Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off notification history in Samsung Galaxy S22. To turn off our notification history, we have to go to Settings, then in Notification menu we have Advanced Settings, and here we have Notification History. When we go in here, as you can see, our notification history is turned on. To turn it off, we simply tap it once, and now this function is turned off. Very simple to do. Tap once, back out, no need to save anything. Now our notification history won't be stored. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.